Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Amazon Seller app to bank, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Seller app on your mobile device. Log into your Amazon Seller account using your credentials. Navigate to the Reports section from the main menu. Select Payments from the options available in the Reports section. Tap on Date Range to specify the period for the transactions you want to review. Choose your preferred date range and confirm your selection. Review your balance to ensure there are funds available for withdrawal. Go back to the main menu and select Settings. Tap on Account Info to manage your banking details. Here, you will see the option to add or edit your bank account information. If necessary, add a new bank account by entering the required details such as account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the accuracy of the information you've entered. Once your bank details are confirmed, return to the Payments section. Locate the Withdraw option to initiate the transfer. Select the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it does not exceed your available balance. Review the transaction details for accuracy to prevent any issues. After confirming everything is correct, tap on the Withdraw button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation message that your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. Check back later to monitor the status of your withdrawal in the Transactions section. Wait for the processing time to complete, which usually takes a few business days. Once the funds are transferred, check your bank account to confirm the deposit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.